Good morning friends and welcome to another video. Is the Royal Enfield Classic 350 capable to do some gravel roads? I will test it today. Of course in India they are using these kind of bikes for everything. It's a really all-round bike. They are going on highways through the city, transporting stuff with these bikes. And of course the roads in India, they are not always the best. So I think maybe it could be possible to go with the Classic 350 also on some gravel roads. But of course that's too easy. Okay, this looks better. Yeah, that's much better. Of course, the bike is brand new, so I will not push it too much. And it has standard street tires on it. Oh, this is an interesting road here. Yeah, that's cool. Up and down. A little bit sandy, but because the center of gravity of the Classic 350 is very low, it's quite easy to handle. Of course, any adventure bike, also the Himalayan from Royal Enfield, they have longer suspension travel. So of course much more comfort on riding this kind of roads here. But at the end, no problem with the Classic 350. You can do some, yeah, I will not say off-roading, it's a gravel road, but it's quite bumpy. So absolutely able to do these kind of roads too. And here on these stones also no problem at all, even with the road tires. Yeah, it's like a small tractor. It has no problems whatsoever. Of course, I'm not going that fast now. Ugh. Oh, a lot of sand here, but also no problem. Handles everything fine. Of course, the standing position. Of course, this is not made for that, especially for my size. Very uncomfortable. But if you just go up a little bit, you don't feel the bumps that much. So I think just put on some profile off-road tires on it and you have a good all-round bike. Lots of sand here. Yeah, these kind of roads are so much fun with this bike. And it doesn't feel that heavy. Even it has 195 kilograms. It's not a problem. Yeah, so is the Royal Enfield Classic 350 capable of doing these kind of gravel roads? I say yes, without any problem. It can do it. Maybe even better if you put some more off-road orientated tires on it. Then it could be really a good all-rounder bike for the street, for gravel roads. Of course, for real off-roading, this bike is not made for it. You for sure need longer suspension travel. This year is only 130 millimeters at the front and I think 90 at the back. This is not that much. But on the other side, it can handle it. And you still have a lot of fun. And the handling is really good. I thought, especially with these street tires, that it's not possible, but it works. Of course, I'm not going too fast. I don't want to take any risks to damage the bike. But it does it very well. No slipping, no sliding. It's really interesting. It can do everything. Up, down, ups, down, no problem. Of course, I would wish for a better suspension travel to have a more comfort, but if you are in a situation where you have to go to these kind of roads, go for it. You can do it. And even on these roads, this bike is putting a big smile on my face. It's so much fun. Okay friends, so that's it for today. Just a short video, but I just wanted to test if the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is capable of doing some gravel and sandy roads, and final result, yes it is, and it's still a lot of fun to ride this bike. So now I just have to clean it a little bit because everything is of course quite dusty. So if you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's for free, and of course if you ride safe. I see you in the next one. Take care and cheers.